Hello guys, today we continue to speak about entertainment and media, and our topic is sound and hearing today. Open please your student's book, page number 38, exercise number 1. Read the following statements about sound, which statement is not correct. Выбрать нужно одно неправильное утверждение и исправить его в тетради письменно. After that, you should write down new words into your vocabularies with translation.
Anvil, anvil, bark, bark, bone, bone, brain, brain, bump, bump, cochlea, cochlea, collect, collect, create, create, curled, curled, ear canal, ear canal, eardrum, eardrum, enter, enter, hammer, hammer, hit, hit, horn, horn, liquid, liquid, nerve, nerve, outer ear, outer ear, signal, signal, snail shell, snail shell, stirrup, stirrup, tube, tube, vibrate, vibrate, wave, wave.
After you have written the words, you should read the text and you can watch it in the video.
How our ears work. Do you like music? Have you ever wondered how your ears work? Sounds are everywhere, and our ears pick them up. Your ear has got three parts to it: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is the part you can see. It collects all the sounds and sends them to the middle ear through the ear canal. The middle ear is where the eardrum is. When the sound reaches the eardrum, it causes vibrations. These vibrations make some very small bones in your middle ear move and help the sound continue its journey to the inner ear. The inner ear has got tiny hairs. When sound hits them, they move around like waves. These hairs give the signal to your brain so you can hear everything around you. So now you know how your ear works.
After that, you should do exercise number 2, page 38 in your student's book. Read the text again and put the sentence in the correct order from 1 to 5. You should write them in your copybooks. Нужно написать правильный порядок предложений в своей тетради полностью. When you finish, you should move further to exercise number 3. Label the diagram. Use the words from the text. Нужно написать, какая часть уха обозначена какой цифрой в своей тетради. That's all for today. Have a nice day and good luck. I'm waiting for your works.